right, so then we are in the secondary bathroom. The custom hickory cabinets, they are throughout the home. Okay, so everything matches. All right, and then this is a tub shower combo. Oh, can't get the rings. As I'll kind of peek around here. So, right, it has an insert as opposed to the tile, which is great for keeping it clean. You know, don't have all those grout lines you've got to deal with. Okay, and there's one sink in here, which, you know, for a spare bathroom is perfect. Okay, so we're going to come back through here. Okay, front door, little office area here, closets, living room. Come through here. Okay, we got the dining and kitchen, breakfast, and then let's come over here to the laundry room. Okay, washer dryer. Okay, and it does have a washroom sink, nice size too. So window, lots of natural light in here, which is great. Okay, and then I'll do this bathroom real quick. So, and then this is a powder bath here. Okay, the door does swing out, so it's more spacious. You can come in. Okay, I mean, standard powder bath here. Okay, so again, same cabinets, same countertops. Everything is consistent.